Sanibonani guys, welcome to isiZulu Conversational presentation by yours truly, Umis Ndo. So guys, today we are going to look at what you can say or a vocabulary that you can use when you are meeting your child's friends for the first time. Okay, starting with the vocabulary, umngane means a friend. Ukuzethula, it's to introduce yourself. Ukukhuluma kahle is to speak politely. Ukwemukela is to welcome. Ukubonisa inhlonipho is to show respect. Ukubingelela, to greet. Umntwana, it's a child. And then abazali means parents. Okay, let's see or let's look at how you can converse when meeting your child's friends for the first time. Let's say your child's name is Sipho, for example. Sawubona mngani kaSipho. Ngabe ungubani igama lakho? Thabo. Ngibingelele, nginguThabo ma. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi Thabo. Ufunda kuphi? Ngifunda eMaplewood Primary. Ngikwa-grade 5 noSipho. Kulungile. Siyakwamukela ekhaya. Uzizwe usekhaya, feel at home. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mama. As you will know that in isiZulu, respect is very important. So the words like ngicela, ngiyabonga are very important. Okay, now let's have a look at what you can say when meeting your kid's teacher or your children's teacher for the first time. So starting with the vocabulary as well, utisha is teacher, one person. Othisha is teachers, which means more than one teacher. Isikole, it's school. Ingane or umntwana, it's a child. Ukufunda means to learn or study. Imiphumela, it's results or grades. Ukuziphatha, it's a behavior. Isifundo, subject. Ukubingelela is to greet. So now let's look at the parent and teacher having a dialogue. Sawubona, nginguNokuthula umzali ka-Ayanda. Sawubona mama ka-Ayanda, wamukelekile esikoleni. Ngicela ukwazi ukuthi u-Ayanda uhamba kanjani ezifundweni zakhe. U-Ayanda uyazama kahle, kodwa udinga ukuqhubeka nokufunda ekhaya. Ngiyabonga ngolwazi, ngizomsiza kakhulu. Siyabonga, masibambisane ukuze aphumelele. That was a very nice dialogue between a parent and a teacher. Okay, now let's say you were visiting your friend's house. What would you say, or what is the vocabulary that you can use? Like we have seen before, umngane is a friend. Umndeni means family. Ukubingelela is to greet. Ukwamukela is to welcome. Isidlo, that's meal or food. Ukuphakela is to serve or offer food. Indlu, it's a house or home. Ukuhlala is to sit or stay. Now let's look at the dialogue or how you can have a conversation. Sawubona, nginguNontobeko. Ngivakashele umngani wami uThandi. Sawubona Nontobeko, wamukelekile ekhaya lami. Ngiyakwamukela, ungahlala phansi futhi udle lokhu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyajabula ukuzwa ukudla kwenu. Always be polite, be kind and respectful. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys, nisale kahle. I'll see you on our next lesson. Ngiyabonga.